To send money from India to Cyprus, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring money, such as a bank transfer, online money transfer services, or a foreign exchange broker. Each method has its own advantages and fees, so it is essential to compare and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you have chosen a method, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details, as well as your own identification and bank account information. Next, you will need to initiate the transfer by providing the required information and authorizing the transaction. This can usually be done online, by phone, or in person, depending on the method you have chosen. You will also need to pay the transfer fee and the exchange rate margin, which can vary depending on the service provider. After initiating the transfer, you will need to track the transaction to ensure that it is processed successfully. You can usually do this online or by contacting the service provider's customer support. The recipient will typically receive the funds within a few days, depending on the method and the service provider. It is essential to note that there are regulations and limits on sending money from India, such as the liberalized remittance scheme, which allows Indian residents to send up to $250,000 per year. You should also be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer, as these can affect the amount of money the recipient receives. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use a reputable and licensed service provider to ensure the security and reliability of the transaction. You should also keep a record of the transaction, including the transfer reference number and the recipient's details, in case you need to track the transaction or resolve any issues.